Hi, I'm Jeff Holman with Intellectual Strategies. We're a law firm that focuses on intellectual property protection, things like patents and trademarks. I want to talk to you about what a trademark is and what it does. To start off, I thought you might like to see what a trademark looks like. This is an actual copy of a registration certificate we received for one of our clients. Jet Renewal Kit is the name of their product, and now they have a trademark on that name. This means that nobody else has the right to use that name for a product in the same space without their permission. So how does the process work? The way that you get a trademark is to go through a federal registration process. This simply means the United States Patent and Trademark Office will examine your application for a specific mark. They want to make sure that they're not giving you exclusive rights if somebody else already has those rights. So you need to do a few things to get your application submitted, examined, and registered. First, you have to talk about what the mark is. Is it the word that you want to use, or the phrase, or maybe it's the logo? You also have to specify what are the types of products or services that you're going to brand with that mark. Once you do that, you submit your application with a small fee to the government, and they will examine it. They'll look to see whether or not your mark is distinctive. Obviously, they're not going to give you the right to exclude other people from selling tables, for example, under the word table. That would be too generic. Your mark has to have some level of distinctiveness relative to the goods and services that you're providing. The other thing that they're going to look at during examination is whether or not your mark might conflict with somebody else's mark. They can't give two people the right to exclude each other from using the same mark for the same types of products and services. They'll also go through some other formalities in the examination process, but distinctiveness and likelihood of confusion that I just mentioned are the two major parts. Once you pass that examination, they'll issue a registration certificate for you, just like these. It's a pretty straightforward process, but there are a lot of pitfalls along the way. A lot of people will try it themselves, and they'll end up having to refile and restart the process and repay the government fees because it's easy to screw up if you haven't done it before. Even worse, we've worked with clients who did the process on their own, and they thought they had protection, but actually they didn't protect their brand or name in the way that they were using it in their business. This is something you don't want to mess up. And if you're working with the right team, we can anticipate and avoid a lot of issues along the way. We work with a lot of inventors and entrepreneurs and startups and help guide them through the process of selecting their mark, how to apply for the mark, and how to get through the examination process successfully with their own trademark registration. If this is you and you need help with your trademarks, we'd love to connect. We offer a free strategy call to talk about what problems you're facing and see if we're a good fit together. You can register for a call by clicking the link below, and we can't wait to chat with you.